Hey guys, Jed here, and today in this tutorial I'm going to be going over the taskbar and some basically what it is, the different functions of it, and how, in particular, how to pin and unpin a program from that taskbar. Because um, if nothing else, that's the one big thing you'll do with the taskbar, other than the start menu orb. But let's get started. So the taskbar is this big bar that runs along the bottom of the screen, um, and it holds the icons for programs. Pick little icons that are links to open up your program. It also has a calendar and a clock. It has a speakers mixer adjuster, basically just adjust the volume of your speakers. A network sharing center button takes you to your network and sharing center, but we're not going to worry about that in this video. And a notifications flag when you need to back up files or something, or if you need updates that need to be installed. That flag it'll pop up and it'll give you a notification that you need to update something. And then the instructions are really easy to follow. Just follow them and you'll be good. So that's all you need for that. If you need to change the time and date, if it's not right for some reason, simply right click on the date and time. I'm sorry, left click on the date and time, and go here to change date and time settings, and you'll get this window right here. You're going to want to go to change date and time, and then what that's going to do is it's going to give you this page right here. And to adjust the time, you'll simply, if it's 3:55, then you would just highlight this part and change it and type in 55. You could even change it to the seconds. You can even change seconds, and you can adjust AM or PM and etc. So that's pretty simple. And for the date, you just toggle here and find the date that it is, and you just left click on it, and it will set your date. And when you're done, you press OK, and then OK, and that's all you need to do. That's how you adjust your time and date. This button on the far right, I forgot to do this first. This is a clear button. It basically minimizes all programs that are currently on your screen. So if you have a lot of stuff open, let's say you have Media Player open, you have your Libraries page open. Let's say you have Microsoft Word open in a different one, like here, and you're like, oh, there's so many pages, I'm getting confused, and you just want to clear everything, but you don't want to lose what you have up. Well, what this button does is it clears and minimizes all your programs, clears your screen, so it's like this. But your programs are still here, unadulterated at the bottom. Let's say you just want Word, left click on Word, bam, it didn't delete anything, it didn't close the program, it just minimized it, so it would clear your screen. So that's still good. Your media player is still good. Sorry, my computer's running kind of slow because I got a lot of stuff running. And the same with this page, it's still where it was. Like if I were going to go to one of my hard drives and I press clear, went back, it didn't mess anything up, it didn't change anything, it just minimized the page. Just like pressing this little minus. Same thing, but it just clears your screen. So that's what that does. I told you what this does. We've already gone through what this is, and you shouldn't really have to mess too much with that. If anything, the clear button is really the only button you'll use for this side of the screen. Anyway, this part, from after this arrow to right before the start orb, I like to call the icon section of the taskbar. And what that is just like it sounds. It's where icons for programs are pinned, and you can fit quite a bit on here. So now I'm gonna show you how to pin and unpin a program from the taskbar. An example for pinning, for a good example is, let's say we don't want Internet Explorer. We like Google Chrome better. We like Chrome better, and we don't want Explorer anymore. Well, first what we're gonna do is we want to unpin Internet Explorer. To do that, you're gonna right click, not left click, right click on Internet Explorer, the icon. And right above it, there's this little message, the line that says unpin this program from taskbar. You're going to left click that, and now it's gone. You didn't delete an Explorer. It's still in your programs. See right here. What you did was you removed the icon from your taskbar. So now to add Chrome to your taskbar, because that's what you want. Well, you're going to find Chrome. I have it here, but also you could get it from your start menu. But you're going to right click on Chrome, and down you're going to scroll down to where you see pin to taskbar. Once you see that, you're going to left click on that, and boom, now we got Chrome on our taskbar. But let's say we wanted Chrome, the icon, to be where Internet Explorer used to be, right here in the front. Well, you can move that. You can definitely change that. What you do is you left click and hold that left click button down on the icon you want to move, and you simply drag it to the spot, the desired spot. And you can do that with any of the programs. So that's how you pin and unpin a program from your taskbar. So now what I'm going to show you is another cool feature, another thing you can do if you are a little more into personalizing your desktop a little bit, or if it's more functional for you, that'd be cool, but not for me. But anyways, if you wish that your taskbar was over here, or possibly even at the top, you don't like it at the bottom, then you wanted to move it. That is possible. It's definitely possible. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right click on the taskbar, and right here it'll normally default be checked as locked under lock the taskbar. You're going to want to left click on that, and now it's unlocked, meaning you can move it freely from to the left side, to the right side, or even to the top, and it adjusts your icons accordingly. And so that's how you move your taskbar to a place of your liking. And when you're done, you want to right click again and press lock taskbar, and that will lock it so that you cannot remove it again. Important thing I forgot to tell you, when you're moving it, the way to move it is the same thing as when you're dragging an icon. You're going to left click and hold on the taskbar and drag it to whatever spot you want, and then lock it when you're done. Alrighty, so now that's pretty much it. Some of the other customization things you can do with this is if you right click on the taskbar and go to properties, you can right, auto hide. That's something some of you may like. If you run like a slideshow of pictures, family pictures or something in the background, and you don't want you just don't want the taskbar there. It just kills the mood of the picture or something. Well, you can hide it by left clicking and enabling auto hide. What that does is it hides the taskbar as long as the mouse cursor isn't down here. So it hides it. So now your picture can take up the entire screen. I personally don't like that, but some people do. So that's cool. Use small icons. I don't think anyone in the world uses that. What it does is it makes your icons incredibly tiny like this, and it just seems so stupid to me. So I don't do it. But if you want to do it, hey, it's your computer. And that's pretty much it. You can, if you don't want to drag the taskbar to a different spot of the screen, if you don't want to do all that, you can right click, go to properties, and you can adjust where on the screen you want it from here, bottom, left, right, or top. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all I'm going to go over today. But that's pretty much all you need to know about a taskbar. Other than that, it's not really anything super special. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.